Hello again. Let's complete our talking about tasks. Here in indicator field, in task number 5, you can find there is a calendar shape just by double click, or from tasks, properties Robin, information, you can go to task information. After that we will go to advanced tab. You can find constraint type. You can find in this field start not earlier than, and there is a date here 20 of January. You can change your constraint type to be as late as possible, as soon as possible, finish not earlier than, finish not later than, must finish on, must start on. Let's don't modify anything and accept it, started not earlier than. For example, you have some spare part and this spare part will not be received not before than 20 of January. So you must, for this task, put a constraint started not earlier than 20 of January. And because we make our schedule in auto mode, so you must put these constraints. In task number 4, just double click. You can go to Note, or directly from here you can go to Note from properties. You can write whatever you want or copy and paste from Excel or from Word. After that you can go to font. You can modify your font to Time New Roman. Okay, narrow bold. This is font style. Size, it can be 16. Color, it can be modified to be green. Okay, put underline. Now you have your note. You can find an indicator. It's look like sticky note. Double click. You can find your note. Again, if you wanted to see the details of any task, just go to Tasks, Properties Ribbons, Details. Now you can see the properties of the task. This is the start, this is the finish, constraint type as soon as possible, and you can go to the next task just by next, or press previous to go to previous task again. Details will be disappear this window. We have on Microsoft project two different type of constraint. First of them, it's the relation between tasks. Second, it's the constraint which we can insert to the task. For example, here in advanced, not to be earlier than 20, or we can move to 30. So it's moved by this constraint. For any task, for example design task, you can go to schedule and make split for the task. Split for the task, it's used to make split at a specific date for the task, or a specific hour for the task, depending on the duration of this task, and you can move the rest of the task to another time. In order to apply split to the task, first of all select your task, and from task tab, schedule, go to split task tool and move over the Gantt chart shape, and you can find here the date of the start of the split. Okay, this is the date, and we will move to task finish date, whatever we like to have. For example, here we can find design tasks, it's split it, and the finish date at the second day of February. Thanks for your attention, and see you at the next session.